here are the girls watching the Gruffalo. It's really the first little bit scary movie that I let them watch.
Mommy!
So they're all together over here.
It's flying! It's flying!
There it is. Now pause. There's the fox. And there's the mouse. The mouse is going to trick.